What's going on, boys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another episode here at the J&A Life. It's your boy Jerry. So today, as you guys can see, the coupe is gone, guys, and we got the Nissan in here. So the problem with this car, guys, is as long as I've known my wife, it's been going through axles and wheel bearings, and I mean, it eats them up. And here recently, my brother-in-law Billy borrowed the car to run some errands, get some things done. Got a real bad noise in the front end again, which is the passenger side. And he ended up tearing it apart while I was on the road, changing out the axle. Still got the noise, so we believe it's been a problem with the knuckle the whole time, and just never changed it. So we're gonna try something new this time, guys. Hopefully this will take care of the problem. We're just gonna change out the whole knuckle assembly. And yeah, guys, hopefully this, like I said, will take care of the situation. But yeah, boys, hopefully you guys enjoy the video. Don't forget to smash that like button. If you're not subscribed and you're new to the channel, welcome. And go ahead and hit that subscribe button as well. It doesn't cost you a thing. It's absolutely free, and it'd be greatly appreciated. So yeah, guys, I'm just gonna get my tools ready and get everything ready so I can pop this passenger side tire and rim off, and yeah, get this thing on the road. So let's get it. So guys, not 100% sure where the wife ordered this knuckle from, but I believe it's Brock's, maybe. I'm not sure. I'll ask her when she gets here. And I believe that's the part number. I'm not 100% sure about that as well, so I'll get you guys that information as soon as the wife gets back. But just want to show you guys what this knuckle assembly came like. Looks pretty clean, looks pretty good. So there you have it, boys. Looks real good. Sorry guys, my son Uriah, he just throws my phone whenever he gets angry, and the camera's a little messed up. It's hard to focus sometimes, but as you guys can see, it comes with a brand new axle nut, which is great, even though we've just changed that. And bearings feel really good. Looks really good, guys. So just gonna get that tire popped off and start working. All right, guys, got the wheel popped off. As y'all can see the way this knuckle assembly is. It fastens down to the strut assembly right here with these two big bolts and nuts, balls. So we gotta turn it loose there. We gotta get this caliper off here. We gotta take this ball joint loose right here. So I'm hoping I can do that. Oh, and also, first and foremost, you gotta pop this axle nut loose here. So we're gonna work on this first. We'll get my tools together and I'll get back with y'all. All right, guys. First thing we're gonna do, I'm gonna take this garter pin loose right here. So what I do, and this is how I do it, I'm not a professional, so I just kind of try to get it to bend somewhat straight. I grab hold of it on this end and take it out like that. I've already dropped the garter pin for this tie rod back here. So that's loose. Next, it's going to take this 36mm socket right here and knock this axle nut loose. Let's get that. It's done. All right, boys, with the 19-inch socket, I'm going to bust loose the whole bracket that holds the brake caliper assembly onto the knuckle. since that's what we're changing today, guys, is the knuckle assembly. We just need to free up everything that held onto it. It's one 19-inch bolt right there. The other one off. You can see, remove the whole caliper assembly like so. We're gonna rest that right there. And that jack stand. All right, so now, guys, we need to free it up from here. These are some 19-inch bolts and nuts. So we're gonna work on that next. These are smaller on this side. All right, guys, just to clear it up, it's a 19 on the nut size, pause, 17 over here. So keep those together. This one. You just take your gun and run it out. It should come out. Oh, your glove comes out. All right, guys. So that'll free our knuckle up. Axle should come right out like so. And then all we've got is this ball joint off the tie rod. It's got a castle nut. We'll just go ahead and get the size ready, and I'll be back with y'all. All right, boys. Got a 22 millimeter for this lower ball joint here. So just gonna get that broke loose real quick. Like so. I almost forgot about that ball joint. The wife had to point it out to me earlier. So go on and get that taken off there.
What size was that one, baby?
That was a 20.
That castle nut's a 20, guys.
So now
Separate them.
it's gonna be if these ball joints come off good or not. All right, guys. So I had to put one of these bolts back in here to give me some resistance. I just took his hammer right here and I smacked the side of the knuckle, not the ball joint, side of the knuckle. Come show them what I'm talking about. All right, just smacked it like this a couple times. Got it right off. The same for the bottom. So now we're just going to take this bolt out that we put back in for resistance. And just like so, that old knuckle comes out like that, boys. How you could tell your bearing is bad, your wheel bearing and your knuckle. You can hear a grind too, guys. We also just got a little wobble out of it off camera. If you look really close in here where the ring looks dark, you can actually see it wobble. All right, guys, just a little comparison here. So we're gonna spin the old one and spin the new one. That thing's still spinning. That's what your bearings are supposed to be like, guys. All right, boys, going back in with the new knuckle assembly. We're gonna line this axle up, get that out the way first. Got the axle lined up.
our lower ball joint here on the control arm lined up. Got it close. There it is. All right. Knocked out 2 birds with 1 stone. So now let's get this shot lined up with this knuckle. And then you got this tie rod ball joint over here as well. Brand new tie rods on this unit as well. You kind of slide your knuckle over there, line it up. It's that easy, boys. All right, guys. Got everything back on. Got our castle nuts with our carter pins put back in. Wife is torquing it to, what is it, baby? 200?
210.
210. That's only going to 199. 198. All right, guys, that's going to do it for this video. The knuckle change out on the Nissan Altima was a success. Everything worked out in our favor, praise God. So that's gonna do it for this video, guys. Hopefully this helps somebody out there. If you guys enjoyed the video, make sure you smash that like. Like I said earlier in the video, if you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe and hit that bell icon down below to get notifications whenever the channel drops something new. Gonna be many more videos to come, y'all. This ain't it, we ain't done. So definitely stay tuned to J&A Life and all the new stuff that we got coming. You OG to the channel, you've been following me for a while, you know what that is right there in the corner. It's the Type R motor out the coupe. We got the coupe at the paint shop right now, so ain't gonna be long. That thing's gonna be painted and it's gonna be back in here for some more upgrades. We also got the hatchback out there running right now. It's been months since I started it. Got it warming up so I can scoot it over a little bit, make a little more room for the driveway. But yeah, guys, don't want to bore y'all with me running my mouth as always. So hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Hopefully it was a help to you guys. And till next time, guys. I love you all. God bless you all. We out, boys.